Today we'll be seeing inheritance basics in module 3. So what is inheritance? Inheritance is inheriting the attributes and methods from one class to the another. So here we have this class is the superclass and this class is the subclass, that is the child class. The parent class is called the superclass. So how do we do this? We use the extends keyword for that. So how can I write this program? So we can start with this program. So I have opened Eclipse. So how do I write this program? I go to Eclipse and then here I already created the Java project. Already Java project is created. Now I am creating a class. So what is the name of the class I'm going to create? The name of the main class is inheritance demo. Okay, this is what I'm going to create first. So inside this class, let me show how it works. So we have a class called superclass. This is the parent class. So this class is the superclass. So now inside this class, I will be having few variables, A and B. I'm declaring it as A and B. Now I'm using a function called void assign function. Any method I can have, some methods I'm giving. I'm going to assign some value for this A 10 and B equal to 20. Now I am going to use it in another class, class subclass. So this is my child class. Okay, so see here, if I want to use the value of A and B inside this class, what should I do? I have to inherit this class. So see here, let me write void sum of. So when I write void sum of, I'm going to print the value addition of A and B. So system dot out dot println. So now I'm going to print the sum of these two numbers. So how do I do? I have to write A plus B. So now see here, there is an error coming. Why is this error coming? Because what is the error telling? The error is telling that A and B cannot be resolved because the value of A and B are here in this class. Now, if I want to use it here, I have to use extends superclass. So now what happens here? So now here I can use the value of A and B here. Why? Because I use the term extend superclass. Correct. So now in my main function, see here, I have several times told you, whatever you want to do, there should be a main class finally. Inside this main class, we should have public static void main of, we can have string guess of. Okay. Now inside this class, I'm going to create the objects. For which class should I create object? As of now, I have to create object for subclass. So how do I create object for subclass? Subclass yes is equal to new subclass of. Yeah. Why I don't want to create the object for superclass? Because superclass is subclass is extending the superclass, so there is no need. So now s dot I can use sum. Okay, I can use sum. So now I can use sum here. So now I also want to know the assign. If I don't use that, we will not know the value of A and B. See here, if you execute this, you can see here the result is equal to 0. Why is it 0? Because I did not call the assign. So I am going to call the assign. Assign is from where? From the superclass. Okay. Assign is a method from the superclass. But why am I able to do that? Because I have used extends. So what is the definition of inheritance? Inheritance means inheriting the attributes and methods from one class to another class. So we have inherited the, the methods and attributes. Here, this is what is inheritance.